I'll show you some of the best DHgate free shipping hack. So on DHgate, some of the most simplest way you can get free shipping is, for example, if I want to search out something like, for example, I want sunglasses here, right? And to ensure that I have free shipping, I can go ahead and check this box right here that says free shipping right there. Now, once I check on that box, you can be sure that every one of these products here that comes up will be free shipping. So no matter what, you'll have free shipping. Although you should also check on the way up here, you can make sure that it ships to the correct country as well. So if you go on the United States, and of course it'll have to be on the United States. If you have to be in Italy, then it'll be in Italy as well. Although there is another method to get free shipping as well. You can go to this link here, dhgate.com/sales/marketing/free shipping _.html. And then you can see there's a couple of exclusive products you can get that has free shipping. You can see all of these are free shipping as well. You can get things like phones, like the Poco X6. There's also more Poco phones here. There's also an iPhone screen replacement. There's a scale, flowers, remotes, things like that. The more you scroll, the more you'll get as well.